Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I'll be doing a house tour, so come along with me guys. Check this one out with me. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Please hit like, and if you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe to be a part of the family. So this is going to be the entry porch, and from the entry porch we enter into the foyer. Off to the left is going to be the bathroom. So it's going to be a full bath, shower, toilet, and a vanity. And from there we have bedroom 1. But pretty much this is going to be an office. So it can be an office or it can be a bedroom. So like you see, it doesn't have a closet. So it's more going to be an office, but like I said, it can be a bedroom if needs be. So back into the foyer, and we're gonna have a laundry area right here. So this is gonna be the laundry area. So pretty much everything is gonna be open concept. And this is going to be just pretty much a recreational area, which leads to the back porch. So this is the back porch, and over here is going to be pretty much an outdoor kitchen. So over here we have a half bath, so pretty much just a toilet and a vanity. And here is going to be where we have a sink, a kitchen sink, and we're gonna have a grill area pretty much. And here is a lanai. I'm not sure of the pronunciation, but it is spelled L-A-N-A-I. So back to the porch, recreational area, and over here is gonna be the stairs. So this is pretty much the ground floor. This is the ground floor. Ground floor, and total we're gonna have 3 floors. So pretty much it will be open all the way above to the 3rd floor. So this is where the stairs are going to be. So it's pretty much going to start here. I'm going around, and of course you're going to have those the windows going up, so you're going to get the view. So let me show you the view. So you're looking into pretty much Treasure Beach, Great Bay Area, Black River. You're going to have that view. And this is going to be the 2-car garage. So the garage is inside here. The garage door is going to be right here where this column is. And this part is going to be open. me take you back inside. So it's in the early stages of building, so I'll definitely give you updates on this one, and also I'll drop a picture of what it will look like in the end. So as always guys, let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. Like this video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't done so as yet, please subscribe. So also the owner is also a YouTuber, so I'm gonna drop his link in the description. Tony and Angie's kitchen. So check them out as well guys. So you'll get updates as well, because he'll be doing videos on this one as well. So please check them out to see updates, more regular updates. But like I said, I will always come back here to give you guys update on what's going on this one. Like I said, it's still in the early stages, but this one is going to be massive. It's going to be pretty big, so please stay tuned for the updates. So there you have it guys. I'm really excited about this project. It's gonna be something different, something unique, so please stay tuned and check out that video. Check out that view. The view is everything. So like the video, share the video. If you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe.